Well, I've got some bad news. My uncle just got a hold of me here this Saturday. I was planning on going over there in a little bit. Just got a hold of me and told me that he's not feeling all that well. And so he, although he said I was free to go out and use his barn, I personally don't feel comfortable doing that. It's complicated, mainly because of my aunt. But anyways, so that is a no-go. And so what I think I'm gonna do, man, this road sucks. I think I got some video footage of it really bad last year. Anyway, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it myself in my own driveway. I know that it's cold, but as long as it's not windy, I'll be fine. Because really, the only thing that I need to do is I need to jack up the right corner, the passenger front, get it up in the air, and I can easily reach around and unplug the harness, and then I'll just pull some of the wire down and find out exactly where it's split, and then just cut it, then do all my repairs inside. The only thing that I really need to do outside is connect the two butt connectors to the harness that leads up to the control module, and then I've got my butane torch and my heat shrink tubing, and I just have to heat it up for 30 seconds or so, and I should be good to go. I mean, it's really not going to take that long to do the repair. It's not. So I'm not anticipating any problems. It's just that I didn't want to be outside trying to record footage when it was 0 degrees out. I mean, that's just that's not something I wanted to do. But you know, now that I'm thinking about it, the most time I'm going to actually have to spend outside is figuring out where the brake is in the harness. Once I've got that figured out, it's a snap. I'm not going to have any problems getting the wire repaired from there. So today is actually supposed to snow, so I don't think I'm going to get it to do it today, but I'm hoping that either Monday or Tuesday I could crawl up underneath there and figure out where the cut is, because essentially I could unplug the harness and it would not affect drivability at all, because it's already disconnected anyways, essentially, because one of the wires, or maybe both of the wires, are broke off. So I mean, really, I don't have much to worry about. So anyway, be looking for that video hopefully sometime early next week. We'll just have to see. You gonna run that light? I mean, you're already almost in the middle of the street. Fucking asshole. Keep going. Holy crap. And you guys see this? I don't know if you can see this or not. He is almost in the middle of the street. I am just behind the line. The fuck is this? It's green now.